Good morning, student. This is your English literature period. So what will we do today? We will do exercise of lesson number 11, win or lose. Student, win or loss. In this chapter, we have already learned about the story Albert and Petty. So today is the time for doing exercise. So everyone take out your book and write down today's date and quotation. So today's date is 24.11.20. Then you write the quotation, we are one. Student, you know very well who is Petty and who is Albert. They are boy studying in same school, and Petty was a boy who hated losing at anything. But Albert is not like a Petty. So you have to read the story, say if these sentences are true or false. These are the sentences given here. You have to choose the word true for a correct statement and write false for the negative sentence. So shall we start? Yes. Number 1. Petty felt great when he won. Yes, student, you read this line in your story. Petty felt great when he won. Otherwise, if we lose anything, he become depressed or sad. So this is a true. Number 2, Petty and Albert challenged each other to a game of table football. Yes, Albert was very good in table football. Then they challenged each other to play a game. So it is a true. Albert won by cheating? No, Petty won by cheating. So this is the false. Student, write down the spelling of true or false is correctly, okay? Number 4. Petty did not feel happy although he won. Yes, student, when he won the game by cheating, then he did not feel happy. He was upset. So it is true. Number 5, Albert did not feel good about losing. Albert not worry about losing because he was a casual boy. He take things very casually. So Albert did not feel good about losing. So this is the false. Then students, you turn your page and come on this exercise. Fill in the blanks with am, is or are. Student, you know very well in grammar, in first term you also read about the is, am, are. We use are when we are talking about two person. When we use is when we are talking about one person. If the noun is singular, we write is. If the noun is plural, we write are. And with I, we always use am. So let's start this exercise. Raju and Mohita. So Raju and Mohita, two persons. So we write are. Number 2, the toy. Toy, a single toy. So we write is. The kittens. Kittens means children of cat. Okay. Young one of cat are called kittens. So they are two kittens. More than one because S is there. So we write are. With I, we always use am. Okay. Nilima and Fatima, they are two girls. So we write are. These biscuits, not only one biscuit, we are talking a lot of biscuits. So we write are. Students, in this exercise, first you read these sentences. I am playing. Petty is playing. With the verb, we use ing. Okay. So these are the verb of present continuous tense. So student, here you have to fill is, am, are. आपको is, am, are fill करना है. Okay. Plus verb के साथ ing. We add verb plus ing. Okay. You choose is, am, are with the help of these noun or pronoun. इन नाउन और प्रोनाउन की हेल्प से यू हैव टू चूज की यू हैव टू राइट इज, एम और आर, एंड देन हियर द वर्ब. In this verb you have to add ing. Okay, so let's start. She. With she we use is. Okay, she is singular, we use is, and we add ing. So spelling of making is MAKING. We do not use e. Okay, when we make a ing form. The boys. So boys yani more than one boy, so we use are. Okay, with are we use ing form, so we write in this word, in this verb we use ing. So WATCHING, watching. Number 3, the dog. The dog is chasing. Okay students, is, dog is one dog. So is CHASING. Here is E, that is why we cut it, this E, and we write spelling of chasing is CHASING. No, don't write E. Listen carefully. सभी बच्चे ध्यान से काम नहीं कर रहे हैं. You have to listen carefully what ma'am is saying and do your work very neatly. Number 4, they means more than one. So we write are. They are sleeping, SLEEP, we add ing. Okay, I, with I we use M. So clean, the spelling of clean plus ing, cleaning. Okay, they are running, because they, so we write are, and the spelling of running, here we write 2 times n, RUNNING. Okay, look the spelling carefully, RUNNING, running. Okay, so student, do these exercise. This exercise is not in your course, so you have to cut with the help of blue pens. Student, cut this exercise, punctuation, then you come on this page. This is not in your course, this is also not in your course, but this, correct the spellings. Student, correct the spellings. Student, when the spelling ending with E, we do not use E, we just write ing. Okay, so spelling of smiling is, you have to make a circle with the help of blue pencil or any colored pen. The children are, this is the right spelling. Playing, the stars are shining. Listening, she is waving. Sitting, brushing. Mother is chatting. Anthony is catching. She is feeling. Okay, so these are the correct spelling. You have to make a circle on it.